over 5,000 birds, representing 400 species, many of which are endangered. Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep our chit-chat sessions to learn more about our feathered jewels. The Pool's Amphitheater to your right features the High Flyers show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances.
Anak ka ng bird?
Coming up to your right is the wetlands, which is home to the bright reds and their cousins, the roseate spoonbills. In the wild, these birds eat crabs and shrimp, which give them their beautiful plumage color. In our park, they are given a special diet to maintain the colors. Stop by the wetlands and spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery, which is designed to simulate an observation hide. Challenge yourself to spot as many other wetland bird species as you can.
May bird pa dito.
To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oval-sized bills to reach fruits on thin branches. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during Hornbill Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which include dances and calls. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2. We invite you to take a stroll through Lorry Loft, the world's largest lorry-free flight aviary. If you would like to feed the lorries, please purchase a cup of lorry feed from our staff. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey. Thank you.
Ikot tayo ng ulit. Tapos pag ikot ulit, baba na sa